Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get Google TV in your MacBook. So if you just want to know about this, open your browser and search for Android Studio. So once you write the Android Studio in the search box, you get the result on the top. Just click to open it and you can see this official website of Android Studio. What you're going to do, click on it, this button you got here in this page. So scroll down, tick this one, and you will get the setup to download, which is Apple chip or Intel chip. Download the right one for your MacBook, and after that, once you just install the Android Studio to your MacBook, just open it. So here you can see we're gonna create a new project. So we can choose television, then we're gonna rename it, and once we create our project, we come over here, add a new device, create a virtual device, come over here on TV, then you're gonna choose the resolution. So we're gonna choose the Google TV, and after all we're gonna click on finish and your TV is ready. Just launch it. So here you can see once we launch the Google TV, it's ready. Just gonna sign into my Gmail account. So here you go, I'm just gonna sign into my Gmail account. Once I just sign into my Gmail account, I got the Google, YouTube, and all the Google TV apps here on my MacBook, and this is super amazing. So you can download other apps from this list or category. So this is actually a super cool thing I've seen here on my MacBook, and you can do it yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and the next quick videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.